Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make the greatest scrambled eggs you've ever had in just under 5 minutes. Alright, what do you say? Let's go. So I'm going to turn my heat on here to a upper high to medium heat just to get the oil going a little bit here. And this is where we're going to jump into the secret step. Add a little bit of pesto to the eggs before you scramble them. This step right here will really wow your friends, let me tell you. So, scrambling the eggs here, scramble, scramble, scramble. Got that pesto in there for extra flavor. Oh yeah, stand over the heat. That reminds me of the one time where I actually burnt myself from the heat, but tried to use egg whites to take the burn out of my skin. Well, I'm here to tell you, according to Snopes.com, that really doesn't work. It's just a myth. Sorry. So now that the heat's coming up to temp, go ahead and dump the mushrooms in, fresh portobellos. You hear that sizzle? Yeah, get them going. Give them a flip there. Alright, we're going to turn the heat down a little bit. It's going to be a little too hot for the eggs to be entering at. Get that down to about a nice 6-7. Give them a flip and then go ahead and add the eggs. So this is going to be the tough part because you want the eggs to get cooked without burning. So the key is to keep them moving. While doing that, you want to scrape down the edges here so that it's not sticking to your pan. You don't want to lose eggs, you don't want too dry eggs. Both are horrible. So keep these moving here. And then this is where you're going to want to put the toast in the toaster so it's done by the time your eggs are ready. Got that pressed down here. I'm going to teach you the most important trick. The most important trick is season in layers. Go ahead and add some black pepper at this time. Add a little bit of salt. And then give them a flip. Want to keep them moving once again because you don't want them sticking, don't want them burning. Oh yeah, you can already smell that flavor profile coming together right now. Give them a flip here because I'm getting done now. And now the most important thing I could ever teach you, pull off the eggs before they're done. By pulling them off before they're done, they're going to cook in the pan. And then that's going to mean they don't get too done. No one likes eggs that are too done. So what did I tell you before? Season in layers. We're going to add some Mrs. Dash here. A little bit there. Give it a flip. Keep them moving. Okay. Add a little garlic pepper. Boom, boom. All right. Not too bad. See, I love eating eggs every day. And according to Snopes.com, some people might think that eggs are as bad as cigarettes, but they're clearly wrong. According to Snopes, there is no correlation between eggs and cigarettes being worse than eggs. So, next time your friends or someone tries to tell you that, you can go ahead and call them out for being dead wrong. In addition, eggs really aren't that bad for you. In an article published by Harvard, they actually say that they're right about in the middle for the cholesterol and blood pressure. So go ahead and eat eggs every day knowing that you're going to be okay as long as you're not mixing in things like bacon and stuff every day. See me, I go nice portobellos. I keep them overall pretty well. Adding some feta cheese here. This is the next step. Little feta cheese. Little Havarti cheese. Throw them down. Give them a shake. You see me, I like to add just a little bit more cracked black pepper. Go ahead and turn the heat back on for this part. Just on a low setting. Cover them up. Okay. So, let them go for just a little bit. Just a little bit. Because it's got that heat back on. You don't want them to overcook. That's good. Just like that. You hear them sizzling now. Alright. And boom. Toast is done. Pull off that toast. A little extra pesto. I like to pesto my toast. You feel me? Just a little bit on each. And then in comes this on top. Boom. And just like that, you have the greatest egg breakfast in just under 5 minutes. Add sauces and flavors as necessary. Thanks.